What's up sa inyo mga ka-G? Magandang araw. Ngayon meron tayong bagong gawa dito. Meron tayong aayusin na laptop dito. Although okay naman siya, wala naman problema sa kanya. Ngayon, iaan naman natin siya. Kasi yung battery nito ay medyo sira na yata. Kaya ayaw na mag-open pag cord. Kaya ito tinanggal na natin yung battery. Tapos meron na siyang SSD rito na lalagyan pa natin siya ng 500 gig na HDD para extra storage. Tapos ito yung luma niyang battery. Ngayon, bumili na tayo ng bagong battery. Ngayon, isasalpak natin to. I-unboxing muna natin yung nabili natin battery kung tama ba. Let's go. Ngayon, open muna natin yung battery na in-order natin sa Shopee. Kung tama nga ba yung nabili natin. Ayan. Pwede natin ibenta ulit kasi to once na napagtala natin na battery. Hirap natin. Yun, ito na yung bago niyang battery. Tingnan natin kung tama nga ba. Yan, check natin. Oy, mukhang tama naman yung nabili natin battery. Oh, sukat nga. Oy, sukat nga. Ngayon, babaklasin na natin tong laptop na to. Itong Asus laptop. Tapos palitan na natin ng bagong battery. At yung ilagay na natin tong HDD na to na 500 gig. May 240 gig na SSD na to. Ngayon lalagyan pa natin siya ng 500 gig na HDD. Open na natin.
Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse.
Una, tanggalin muna natin tong external na niya, yung extra storage niya. 120 lang to na SSD. Gagawin natin 500 gig na SSD. Let's go. Bago natin ikabit yung bagong battery. Isang tornilyo lang naman yan. Tapos patakan natin. Yan. Tatanggalin natin to. Tanggal na siya yung SSD na 120. Ngayon papalit natin to HDD na 500 gig. Yun. Siyempre, balik na natin yung tornilyo. Tapos, balik na natin siya. Ganyan. Yan. Dapat yan. Dapat na siya. Balik natin ito. Ninyo. Ngayon, kakabit naman natin yung brand new battery na binili natin. Ngayon, kabit na natin tong bagong battery nya. Okay nga ba? Okay, lapat naman siya. Balik na natin yung tornilyo niya. Balik na natin yung kanyang sa likod. Yan. Okay mga bossing, check na natin yung inilagay nating bagong battery at yung HDD na 500 gig. On na natin. Yun, lumabas na yung Asus logo. Yun, panalo. Ito yung luma niyang battery. Tinanggal na natin. Tapos kaya, ayan, nakikita nyo may nagcha-charge na siya. Ayan, 65% kanyang battery na. Tapos check na natin yung nilagay nating HDD. Ayan, drive C at drive D. Ayan, tumabas na. May mga nakasave na rito eh. Ngayon, ilaan na natin yan. Format na lang natin. Okay. Pwede na itong ibenta. Let's go.